Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make banana bread using this banana bread mix I got from Trader Joe's. It is my first time trying this, so wish me luck. The only ingredients we're going to need today are 2 large eggs, as always, unsalted butter, brown sugar, or any sugar you would like, but I recommend that you use brown sugar or coconut sugar because it is healthier. The instructions say to use water, but usually when it says to use water, I use milk. Whether it's pancakes or a cake mix, I alter it to milk, and I think it makes it taste a lot better. You make your own choice on what works better for you. Oil, I'm going to be using this oil and coconut oil for different things. You guys will see. Last but not least, your banana bread mix. Let's get started. First thing we are going to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Given that the coconut oil is a little bit on the solid side right now, as you guys can see, I'm going to put it in the microwave and melt it before I mix it with my eggs. Now that I've melted the coconut oil, I'm going to place it with the eggs, getting ready to mix. Add 3/4 of milk. The instructions say to add 3/4 of sugar, but I think that is way too much sugar for me. So I'm going to be using just 2 tablespoons, and I'm certain that that will be more than enough for me. But if you would like to follow the instructions just as it says, do add 3/4 of sugar. I'm going to grease my pan using butter. Feel free to use coconut oil if you want, or you can also use a spray coconut oil or regular olive oil. I'm going to use butter because it's what I normally use and it works out pretty good for me in terms of getting the cake out. So let's do this. Moment of truth. Banana bread is out and it looks so good. Can't wait to try it. I just cut my slice. Time to try this yummy banana bread. So good. It has the perfect amount of sweet. Just like I said, guys, you don't have to follow the instructions with the amount of sugar and it will still come out just as good. Some milk. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you guys have anything else that you would want me to try out, or if you have any questions, write it in the comments. Bye guys!